After doing a nice run outside, we could see our temperature starting to crease up on.
That's hot. The infrared thermometer. It's a heat gun. It could check the heat and the cold, and it could read what the temperatures are. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside from this company known as FKM, a heat gun. Measuring range is negative 58 Fahrenheit to positive 1112 Fahrenheit. That's negative 50 Celsius to plus 600 Celsius. This is the heat gun. It got an accuracy of 100 C plus negative 2%, and it has a distance spot of 12 feet. Takes a 9-volt battery in the handle that you simply just open up, and you take the supply 12 battery and you plug it in. Slide it into its case, close it up, and when you press, you can see the little circles, the 12-point radius. So here is my temperature of my coffee. Let's just quickly measure the temperature of my coffee. It measures 139.2. It gives me my maximum reading. I have Celsius and Fahrenheit by this button over here, 59.6 or 139.2. It is lit up. It has a number of lights over here as well. And it has this particular mode setting that you could change the E equal radius by increase and decrease. You have an off, you have a low, and you have a hold and a maximum, and all these different features and functions of the unit. To learn more about the FKM Thermo, you're going to look at the owner's manual and read up what it can do for you. The thermometer is not meant for taking temperature. It is meant for checking machinery, laptops, computers, cars, boilers, refrigerators, etc., etc. Anything that's electronic or generates heat. So if you're looking to see how cold it is outside, you can do that and see if a refrigerator is cold as well. I want to see if my light, and I am going to take a measurement of 29.5 Fahrenheit and see if it will generate heat when it's working. I would want to check my temperature of my air conditioner to see if the heater is actually running. Let's check the temperature of the water heater. It is off, 72.8 degrees. Let's check the temperature of the pipe if I need to work on it. This is the boiler. This pipe is extremely hot when it's on. Right now it's cold, safe to work on it. We're going to check the inside of the freezer. It is negative 22.3 degrees. Inside this cabinet, this box, it is 76 degrees, 84 degrees. It is extremely hot inside. I need to cool this down. Just for demonstration purposes, I have a motor, an electronic speed controller. This is great to check out the temperatures of your RC trucks, boats, cars, and so forth. If you're looking to check out different temperatures and readings, the FKM 7830D is a right size thermometer for you and your needs. I hope this product may be something that you are looking for and may be right for you.